In the past year, Avalanche has witnessed substantial expansion, indicating its recovery from a bear market. In the coming years, Avalanche is anticipated to attain a peak price of $149.05 as a result of its recent expansion. During the previous week, Avalanche investors witnessed returns on their investments exceeding 13.8% as a result of the bullish phase that AVAX has been undergoing. Following an examination of AVAX's technical indicators, we anticipate a minor correction within the coming days. Based on our forecast, the price of AVAX is anticipated to decrease by $1.06 within the following 7 days, culminating in its current value of $38.17 as of April 30, 2024. Establish an account. By creating an account, users will gain unrestricted access to an extensive collection of technical trading tools, which will include sophisticated AVAX buy-sell indicators, premium Avalanche price forecasts, and much more. At the moment, Avalanche is valued at $39.22 and holds the 12th position among all cryptocurrencies in terms of ranking. Presently, 378,014,368 units of Avalanche are in circulation. The cryptocurrency has a market capitalization of $14,772,278,405 Since 24 hours ago, the cost of Avalanche has risen by 0.22%. Avalanche has gained 13.8% in the past week at a consistent rate of growth. Avalanche investors are ecstatic with the return on their investments for the week as a result of this increase. AVAX's price has decreased by 27.34% over the past 30 days, resulting in a $14.76 reduction in its previous value of $53.98. As a result of this current downtrend, Avalanche is presently in decline. In the past 90 days, the price of Avalanche has increased by 26.02%, or $8.10, from its previous value of $31.13.